The Maui session is not the answer to this next question. But
Okay.
what is the one thing you wish you had more time for your daily life?
Kuan, kari na lang basic. Maka-relax. Kaya kung utok ba,
yeah.
I don't know what's inside my brain. Feeling na okay kung napanis siya 3D, no? Mga siya web.
Imong brain
Complex kayo akong brain. Every single day.
during sa work.
It's tiring. Everything. Every single day sa whole life. Mo nang nag-act. Mo nang biskot. No. Napit ko
Imo aning question.
Sa direct mahog na ka.
Kaya para mo nang ika-6, diha ko mga
That's your, like, you find solace when you walk and you listen to worship songs and you read, like, listen to, like, the audible and you pray and you reflect.
And this is, you are very good at translating from her face.
That's also good that you really make time for that. Like, knowing that you're busy. Because not a lot of people know what they need and do what is necessary to fulfill what they need. So, you're doing good. Like, doing that every day. Yeah.
mo na
Do you need a
simple.
hug
Yeah.
or a slap like?
Ah, it's fine.
A slap?
Buang, buang, magkuit.